Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Shopify Collabs. This powerful tool helps brands connect with content creators, significantly boosting visibility and driving sales. It simplifies the entire influencer marketing process, allowing you to manage everything from one central dashboard. You can easily find suitable creators, launch engaging campaigns, and even automate commission payments, making your marketing efforts much more efficient. To begin, first install the Shopify Collabs app directly from the Shopify App Store. Once installed, you'll need to create a comprehensive brand profile. This profile should clearly articulate your brand's mission, values, and target audience to attract the right creators. Next, define your ideal collaborator by considering factors like their niche, audience demographics, and engagement rates to ensure a perfect match. Now, let's create your first campaign. Design your collaboration by setting clear goals and outlining attractive offers for creators. You can choose to offer a percentage-based commission, send free products as gifts, or provide unique discount codes. Shopify Collabs allows you to manage all incoming applications efficiently and track the performance of each creator, ensuring your campaigns are always on target. To optimize your collabs performance, regularly utilize the Integrated Analytics Dashboard. This tool provides detailed insights into traffic, sales, and engagement, helping you understand campaign effectiveness. Use this data to refine your outreach strategy and identify your most impactful partnerships. By continuously analyzing and adapting, you can scale your successful collaborations for sustained brand growth and maximize your return on investment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.